Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a support ticket on your account on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and the support ticket that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Let's then now go to Freshworks, Freshdesk. Click on freshworks.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Click on go to account. This will sign us in. Let's now go to the side navigation menu, click on tickets. And as you can see from previous tutorials, we have created a couple of support tickets. And so now I want to reopen a support ticket, and then I can then click on the support ticket and then go to delete. Or what I can do is click into the support ticket and then click on delete. This then brings the prompt on screen. Are you sure you want to delete this ticket? Yes, I am. Click on delete. We can undo that. That will bring the ticket back. Or we can go to the side navigation menu, tickets. Click into that ticket again and click on delete. Yes, we want to delete that ticket. Successfully deleted the selected ticket. Right click, reload the page. And that ticket itself has now been deleted and completely removed from our account within Freshdesk. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.